Hey everyone, Michael here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I want to do a quick breakdown on some of the trades I called out in my Discord group and also follow up with what I'll be looking at for next week for gold. Now if you're not in my Discord group yet, there is a link in the description below. You can go ahead, click on the link and join for free. And usually on a daily basis, I'll post in the group under mentor charts on what I'll be looking at. So on Friday, I posted this chart over here for gold, and I have my sell zone and also my predictions on here as well. And if you're new, you can mark up your charts similar to mine and learn on what I am doing, and hopefully that will help you as well. So on Friday, as you can see, if we go back to my chart over here, we had my sell zone and I have my algo line drawn out, and then the price did bounce off our algo line and then it dropped. And also our sell below closure line also played out as well. So if you can see inside my signal group over here, I had a sell called out at 2043.33, so that will be over here. And then you can see that after the algo line got tapped, we got into a sell trade and we took this trade down, and that is roughly 32 pips. And then when news came out, it tapped into our algo line again, and then it drove down, and then I called out another sell trade over here, 2033.7, so that's this position over here, and that was roughly 65 pips. So pretty nice Friday, and that all played out pretty nicely. There was another trade earlier in the week before FOMC, basically this sell trade over here that I called out. That was just because liquidity was grabbed and we saw that price was going down, and then we took a sell trade for roughly 63 pips. And then of course FOMC, I wasn't awake during this time, so I wasn't able to capitalize on this massive move up, and that's just because of the rate cuts announced. And then that was like a 500-600 pips drive. All right, so that was what happened last week. I did call out a few other trades, but for the coming week, I do feel the price will hit up in the beginning of the week. So we might see something like this coming into this fair value gap, and then I do believe we'll head down over here and then head back up. All right, so of course we have to wait for price to play out and also look at news to see what will happen next week. But if you want to keep up to date on what I am looking at, and also if you want to check out the daily charts that I post in my Discord group, there's a link below. So again, that will be under mentor charts over here, and I post that in my group on a daily basis when I see something interesting. And I do post some content and news here as well, so if you're interested, you can check that out. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Take care.